There's a famous quote, "All good things must come to an end." For 2 years, I occupied a 2,000 square foot building. Memories were made, things changed. I spread my wings. I explored filmmaking. I found other paths in life that I may be interested in. I made almost all of my first short films here. But now, it's time to wish it goodbye. To walk away. Sometimes it's hard to walk away from a place where you've built memories. I sure have built enough here. But all good things must come to an end. We think back to the memories that were created. They'll always live with us, in our minds. They won't just go away and fade into the darkness. But the memories can't be made forever. This place cannot be forever. To move forward, you must leave something behind. And so, I cleaned house, I had my last meal, and on the way out, I looked back in reverence for that which I was leaving behind. It's time to step out the door, take down the signs, roll up the past and roll up my sleeves, and walk into the future. A new place with a new look. This is my step forward. But I'll always miss 2,000 square feet of memories that I left behind in the old bank on Raleigh Street.